Hi, my name is Love Singh with Kendall Subaru of Eugene, and today we're going to be talking about the new 2024 Subaru Solterra. My favorite feature of the Subaru Solterra are going to be parking sensors located all the way around the vehicle. Just kind of helps to give you a really solid idea of how close or how far you are from obstacles around the car. Front, back, and you do have radar on the side as well. Progressive beeps that'll get louder and louder the closer you are to obstacles. And on front obstacles, you'll actually have pre-collision braking that'll kick in. For more information, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Or you can come down to our showroom on Good Pasture Island Road and ask for me, Love. Or you can check out our website at kendallsubaruonline.com. Kendall, let's start something great.